so excited for today's video. The time has come to reveal to you guys your #1 most requested question on my channel. I'm going to be revealing to you guys the exact answer right now. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I drop a new video. The channel is growing every single day and I appreciate every single person that subscribes. If you're already subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for coming back for another video. You guys watched, you guys spoke, and over 25,000 of you guys tuned in to like, comment, subscribe, and to watch my first video on how to make an LED resin ashtray that's wireless and will light up any room. Yeah, you guys loved the ashtrays. Yeah, you guys loved the vibe of that last video. But what you really freaking wanted to know was, how the hell do you change out the battery pack on your wireless LED resin ashtray? And today I'm going to be revealing to you guys the tips, tricks, and hacks on how to make those sick resin LED ashtrays with a battery that you can change out so you guys can keep your ashtrays for a lifetime. It's insane. I love how this project came out. I'm going to show you guys how I poured the resin. It took me 3 days to light it up in a vivid alien green. Whoa, I freaking love the color. It is totally perfect for my stoner chicks out there, for any smoke sesh. So stay tuned all the way till the end. There's lots of tips and tricks along the way, and I show you guys every single step because I know you guys love seeing every single step, so that you can also recreate these same crafts back at home with ease by just following this one video. I link every single product down below in the description if you guys want to recreate the same craft at home, and it's right underneath the like and subscribe bar. If you expand the details, it will show you all of the links to all of the products. Have you subscribed yet? Stay tuned till the end of the video so that you can watch the demolding. Let's jump into the resin tutorial. Enjoy watching me resin. The first thing you're going to need is some LED lights. I'm choosing this green color for today's craft, and we are outside in full sun right now and you can see how bright they are. So yeah, you guys, even in the dark, get ready. These pack a major punch. The next thing I'm going to be using is this marijuana leaf confetti glitter. It is so freaking cute. Definitely pick yourself up some of this. It comes with a lot of confetti. The next thing you're going to be needing is some prefab mixing cups. They're disposable, but also they have pre-marked measurements right there on the cup so that you can measure your resin out accurately. The next thing you're going to need is a grow lighter. This is to pop any air bubbles while you're pouring your resin. The next thing you're going to need is some mixing sticks. I love these silicone mixing sticks because they're reusable, so it's a really great buy. I'm also going to be using some epoxy ink, and because I don't have the color green, I'm simply going to make it by combining blue and yellow. Now for the part you guys have all been waiting for. You will need a set like this. This is to make resin hair clips. Yes, you guys, I'll be doing a tutorial on this soon, but you're going to need this one little piece, which is a nice square silicone mold, and I'm going to show you guys how I use this so that you'll have a place to insert your batteries. And of course, you guys, you're going to need your ashtray mold. This is the mold that I'm using today. I love this shape, plus it's nice and big to fit all of my LED lights that I want to fit inside the ashtray. Of course, you guys, you're also going to need your resin. Yes, mine is super dirty. I've been keeping it outside, but I love the Pro Glass resin. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to unwrap your LED light wire, wrap it around the center. Alright, so this is what I have once I have the wire all wrapped up. I'm going to leave a little bit of the battery pack hanging out for now. Now that I wound it up real good, I'm going to loosen it a little bit. And this is how I check if I like how it's going to look. I flip it over and I make sure that there's lights everywhere. I'm gonna start pouring clear right into the mold. Now that I have fresh gloves, I'm gonna go ahead and dive into this confetti glitter. Now I'm going to take my blue epoxy ink. Now I'm going to take some yellow epoxy ink. Whoa, it's really coming out a slime green. Okay guys, now for the moment you have all been waiting for. How do we insert this battery pack without clogging it up with resin and while still keeping the battery pack changeable? So what you're going to need is to buy one of these sets to make resin hairpins, and out of that pack you're going to take this mold which makes 3 hairpins. This mold right here is essential and we're going to use it right now. The next thing you're going to need to make your ashtray wireless and to be able to still change the batteries is a large silicone mat that we can weigh down to even everything out. And so I'll show you guys how to use this next as well. This is a silicone mat I use to make rolling trays, and I'll link one of those videos down below as well if you want to watch one of those. So I have my battery in here to protect it from resin just in case, but as you can see the battery fits perfectly inside this. So I'm going to press this silicone mold down inside. And now I'm going to take my orange mat and I'm going to cover this flat, just like that. Now I'm going to take something flat and weigh it down. Just like that. And now you guys, I'm just going to leave it like that to dry. We'll come back in 24 hours.
A few moments later.
Alright you guys, it's the morning after. This is how it looks when you take the back mat off. Perfectly flat, so this way when we lay it on the table it's going to be totally flat. What I'm going to do next, I'm going to fill this in with one more layer of clear resin. Also, I'm going to fill in a little here with some more resin. Oh yeah, I wanted to mention that Ziploc bag that was on the LED light is 100% essential. It kept my battery so clean and resin free, so I definitely suggest following that tip. Okay guys, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to drip a little bit in to this section right here. Any air pockets that were formed from putting the mat over the top, I'm going to fill in. Now I'm going to put some over here and fill out this little crater that was formed. And now I'm just going to take a little bit of the green and I'm going to dome this matte section. More like just paint a top glossy coat on because I prefer a glossy look. I'm gonna let it set for a couple more hours. And I'm back, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me resin. I had so much fun pouring that resin. So now it's been 24 hours and our resin project is right here. It has cured. I cannot wait to turn this thing on. It looks so cute. I love the color. Okay, first things first, let's jump right into it. Let's demold the ashtray. Wow, you guys, this is so beautiful. I absolutely love it. Check out the insane weed leaf glitter on this thing. Oh my God, I am freaking in love. I love the mixed green and clear resin vibe. 420 is right around the corner, and this ashtray is going to be perfect for all you stoners out there for 420. If you guys are looking to give a gift to somebody that you love that's also like loves to get their smoke sessions in, then definitely make one of these resin ashtrays for them. They're going to love it. Next things next, we did install this little silicone secondary mold right here. I'm gonna pop it out and then show you guys what it looks like. All right, guys, so tip and trick, if you guys get your little silicone piece a little too stuck, you can use some kind of tool. See how I just started wedging it right there? And then the rest of it is going to come off super easy. Perfect. Okay, you guys, so the battery compartment is so perfect. Let me show you guys. Now what you're going to do is your battery pack right here is going to slip in right here. Look how it sits so freaking flat and perfect inside that crevice. So the next thing you're going to need is a hot glue gun and also some hot glue gun refills. And then the next thing you're going to need is some E6000 glue. I'm going to use both of these glues to adhere the battery to the back of the resin ashtray so that it can stay permanently secured inside that little nook. The hot glue will help your battery pack stick instantly, and then the E6000 is going to give you that long lasting cure. Also, you guys, you can also use some tape to just temporarily tape it in. The options are totally open to you. So let me do that and I'll show you guys the final result.
A few moments later.
Okay, you guys, here it is. The only thing I have to do is sand these little bits of edges. I'm gonna do that in my own time. But yeah, you guys, for all intensive purposes, this ashtray is finished. Let's light it up. Wow! Oh my God. You guys can see the LED battery pack is installed, battery side out. Also, you can fully remove it if you need to do any more intensive technical repairs. It's totally seamless. Alright, you guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you loved LED resin ashtray tutorial with the wireless changeable battery pack. I tried to address all of your questions, comments, and yeah, you guys, I really appreciate you guys watching. I absolutely love how this one freaking turned out, and thanks so much for watching another video. I'll see you guys back next week. Bye!